Hello, and welcome to today and #39S video, where we delve into the secret to achieving that enviable shine in your hair. We all long for lustrous, radiant locks that exude vitality and youthfulness. In this video, we and #39, I'll explore the 5 key factors that can lead to an open cuticle, resulting in dull and lackluster hair. By understanding these causes, you can take steps to restore your hair and #39's natural shine and keep it looking youthful and vibrant. Intense sunlight, especially UV rays, can damage the hair and #39's cuticle, causing it to open. Similarly, excessive heat exposure from hair dryers can also lead to cuticle damage. Protecting your hair from excessive sun exposure and using heat protectants can help maintain the integrity of your cuticles. High levels of chlorine in tap water can disrupt the hair and #39's protein structure, leading to cuticle damage. Swimmers and individuals exposed to chlorinated water are particularly susceptible. Regularly rinsing your hair with clean water after swimming and using clarifying shampoos can help mitigate the effects of chlorine. As we age, the number of cuticle layers in our hair can decrease. This can lead to thinner hair and reduced internal density. The loss of moisture and natural oils further contributes to dullness. Maintaining a proper hair care routine and using products that provide hydration and nourishment can help counter these effects. Frequent chemical treatments like coloring and perming can damage the cuticle, leading to its persistent opening. High-tone colors involving bleach are particularly harsh on the cuticle. Opting for reparative hair care products and minimizing harsh chemical treatments can aid in restoring cuticle health. Daily activities like shampooing and overbrushing can cause friction that damages the cuticle. Wet hair is especially vulnerable to damage. Gentle hair care practices such as using a mild touch while shampooing and avoiding vigorous rubbing with towels can prevent cuticle damage. To repair and rejuvenate damaged hair, consider Ayurvedic hair treatment and shampoo. Infused with the power of organic herbs, this treatment breathes life into your locks, restoring hydration and vitality. Its potent essence works to repair and nourish your hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and full of life. Thank you for tuning in to uncover the reasons behind dull and lackluster hair and how to restore that gorgeous shine. If you found this information valuable, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care insights. Until next time, here and #39's to radiant, vibrant hair.